Crash Course, Chilean Culture. Chilean culture is a rich and vibrant tapestry woven with history, traditions, and diverse influences. From its indigenous roots to the Spanish colonization and subsequent waves of immigration, Chilean culture reflects a fascinating blend of indigenous, European, and other Latin American influences. In this crash course on Chilean culture, we will delve into its unique aspects, share captivating stories, and explore the top 12 cultural highlights of Chile. 1. Folklore and traditional music. Chilean folklore is a vital part of the country's cultural heritage. Cueca, the national dance of Chile, is a lively and flirtatious dance that embodies the spirit of the people. Traditional instruments such as the guitar, charango, and accordion accompany the melodious Cueca music, creating an energetic and captivating atmosphere. 2. Poetry and literary heritage. Chile boasts a remarkable literary tradition, with celebrated poets like Pablo Neruda and Gabriela Mistral. Neruda's homes-turned-museums in Santiago, Valparaiso, and Isla Negra offer a glimpse into his life and work. The country's literary festivals and book fairs celebrate the written word and nurture a love for literature among the Chilean people. 3. Indigenous heritage. Chile is home to various indigenous communities, including the Mapuche, Aymara, and Rapa Nui. These communities have preserved their ancestral traditions, languages, and craftsmanship. Visiting indigenous villages, participating in traditional ceremonies, and admiring intricate handicrafts provide a deeper understanding of Chile's indigenous heritage. 4. Traditional cuisine. Chilean cuisine showcases a fusion of flavors and ingredients influenced by indigenous, Spanish, and European traditions. From the hearty empanadas and pastel de choclo, corn casserole, to the tantalizing seafood dishes along the coast, Chilean cuisine satisfies the palate and reflects the country's diverse culinary heritage. 5. Wine culture. Chile's wine culture has gained international acclaim, thanks to its exceptional vineyards nestled in the fertile valleys. Wine tasting tours in the Central Valley regions of Maipo, Colchagua, and Casablanca offer a chance to sample exquisite Chilean wines and learn about the winemaking process. 6. Mote con juicio. Mote con juicio is a traditional Chilean drink made with husked wheat, mote, and dried peaches, juicio. This refreshing and sweet beverage is a popular choice, especially during the summer months. It is often sold by street vendors, and enjoying a cup of mote con juicio is a delightful way to experience Chilean street food culture. 7. Arts and crafts. Chilean artisans showcase their creativity and craftsmanship through various art forms. Hand-woven textiles, pottery, woodwork, and silver jewelry reflect the skill and artistic vision of local artisans. Exploring craft markets and artisan workshops provides an opportunity to appreciate the intricacies of Chilean craftsmanship. 8. Religious festivals. Chile's religious festivals combine Catholic traditions with indigenous customs, creating unique celebrations. The Fiesta de la Tirana in the Atacama Desert and the Fiesta de la Virgen de Andacalo are vibrant and colorful events where music, dance, and religious devotion intertwine. 9. Cultural festivals. Chile hosts numerous cultural festivals throughout the year, celebrating music, dance, film, and visual arts. The Viña del Mar International Song Festival, the Valparaiso International Film Festival, FICVALPO, and the Fiesta de la Vendimia, Grape Harvest Festival, in Cueca are just a few examples of the country's vibrant cultural scene. 10. Street art in Valparaiso. Valparaiso, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is renowned for its vibrant street art scene. Its colorful murals and graffiti adorn the city's walls, reflecting social and political messages, as well as artistic expressions. Exploring Valparaiso streets is like walking through an open-air gallery. 11. Architecture. Chilean architecture is a captivating blend of European influences and local elements. The colorful houses and colonial buildings in Valparaiso's hills, the neoclassical designs in Santiago's historic neighborhoods, and the unique Rapa Nui architecture on Easter Island showcase the diversity of Chilean architectural styles. 12. National parks and natural beauty. Chile's natural landscapes are awe-inspiring, with diverse ecosystems ranging from the arid Atacama Desert to the lush forests of the Lake District. Torres del Paine National Park, the Marble Caves in Patagonia, and the mystical Moai statues on Easter Island are just a glimpse of the natural wonders that await visitors. In summary, Chilean culture is a vibrant tapestry of traditions, art, music, cuisine, and natural beauty. From the passionate Cueca dances to the flavors of traditional cuisine, from the poetic verses of Pablo Neruda to the indigenous heritage, Chile offers a unique cultural experience that captivates and delights visitors from around the world. Bridge. Chile, a land of culture and pride, where traditions and stories coincide. From the dance of Cueca to poetic rhyme, Chilean culture, a treasure over time. Chorus. Oh, Chile, your heritage so grand. From indigenous roots to modern land, a fusion of flavors, art, and song. In your vibrant culture, we belong. Outro. As you plan your Chilean quest, discover the wonders that are best. Embrace the culture, immerse your soul. Let Chile's magic make you whole. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?aid equals 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.